Welcome to yet another video from Kairos Institute. In today's video, we will be talking about creative thinking. Have you ever wondered why some people always find excellent solutions for most of the problems they encounter? Or why some people come up with astounding ideas while others don't? The greatest innovators aren't necessarily the people who have the most original idea. Whether it's solving a puzzle, or taking a life-changing decision, or tackling global challenges, creative thinking helps you to look at problems and situations from a fresh perspective. Creative thinking is the ability to consider something in a very new way. For example, a new approach to a problem, or a solution to a conflict between employees, or a new result from a data set, writing skills, visual art, communication skills, and open-mindedness. Creative thinking is the ability to consider something in a very new way. It is our ability to look at ideas presented or a scenario and find new alternatives that solve the problem, to see a problem or issue from a new angle or perspective. This often allows you to find a new solution or even to see that the problem does not necessarily need a solution. The need of creative thinking arises because human brains use habits to create a solution immediately. For example, we don't have to learn over and over to use accelerator and a brake once we learn driving. Our brain rely on these shortcuts for faster problem-solving abilities. But the advantage also comes with a limitation on thinking outside the box. So how to make your thinking more creative? There are certain ways to achieve, which includes communicating with a more diverse group of people, taking time to actively go out and meet new people, and particularly more diverse people will effectively increase our creative thinking ability. Embracing new opportunities and trying new things. For example, actively seeking out and taking up opportunities to do something new could help us to think more creatively to solve a problem. Another step is to challenge stereotypes and to force yourself to think beyond the obvious. Thinking outside the stereotypical conventional thinking boosts our ability to think creatively. Engaging with art, theatre, and music is also another step to improve our creative thinking. It seems that people who visit the theatre, go to concerts, or engage with other cultural activities which help us to see things from a different perspective are also able to think creatively than the others. Being very perceptive and empathetic also will increase our creative thinking ability. Surprisingly, being perceptive and empathetic works hand in hand with creative thinking as well. Before thinking creatively about something, you first have to be able to understand it. That is, we should improve our analytical skills. This requires the ability to examine things carefully to know what they mean. Being a very open-minded person will also help us to think creatively. Set aside any assumptions or biases you may have and look at things in a very completely new way. One common misconception about thinking creatively is that it is associated with artists and musicians. That is absolutely wrong. These are skills and abilities that can change the world and that anyone can adopt. So as long as you have the patience to learn and develop yourself, you too can be a creative thinker. Thank you.